8329 tide pool. So you have little areas of fake grass, which is fine. Some satellite dish. That's the end of a cul-de-sac there. So we have some really cute mature trees and desert scaping. Some of the paint's peeling on this front walk, which isn't a big deal, just mentioning it. We have a screen door, and the neighbor here has fake grass. We really love screen doors for privacy and security reasons. The walls are dark. They're darker than we usually like. So we have this tile at the entryway, carpet going upstairs, and it's either laminate or plank flooring. Hopefully this is this just needs to be cleaned. So three-way fireplace. You could do anything with that space. You could put the eat-in area over here. These are not blue appliances. They just haven't taken the plastic off, which I think they probably should have done. So it's a small kitchen. And that's one of the lights that we like to replace the old light boxes with. So this is good. So this is really nice because we have the patio pavers and rock and a stucco patio cover. So we need to make sure it rolls open easily. That's one of the main roads within the community. I think it's 30 miles an hour. No, I know it's 30 miles an hour. So my point was, you may hear some cars, but it's a traveled road so people can get to their properties, but they're going 30 miles an hour. Okay. Okay, that's the correct blind. The other blinds so far are not correct for what we like. So tile in the laundry room, even though it's an interesting design, it is just the laundry room and it is tile. So it's practical and efficient. The appliances look a little rough. So we can actually just keep a home warranty on the property because it'll cover appliances if you opt for that. There is a fridge in here. The property manager will tell us the motion light's not coming on. Okay, if we need to junk that, there's a stove. So definitely have a junking budget just in case the seller does not remove it. Okay, let's head upstairs. I'd replace that light fixture for about $200. That alone will make the property feel more updated. These are the right blinds. It's a small room, but yeah, it's an extra room. Tile in the hall bath. We need a shower rod, tub stopper, maybe finish off the back so it's pretty. Maybe fill in the grout holes there. Puttying cover, repaint, maybe add a cabinet pole to the bottom ones. Low maintenance counter. Light fixture looks fine, and there's a shower rod. Raised door panels are nice. I like the upgraded hardware as well. It's kind of a small bedroom. We need closet door guides. I would change out these to match the door handles. In a room this size, it makes a difference, in my opinion. Get a vertical blind here. This is kind of a small master, to be honest. Crack tile there. It was installed poorly. Honestly, I think this needs to come up. So I would redo the tile in the other bathroom upstairs as well. Carpet looks good. I would do the same thing to these cabinets as in the other bathroom. Might want to replace the counter and sink here. That's the property manager's call. We need a shower rod, and that's that.